Hello guys. Let's continue with this part where we left off in the last time. We started this AI visuals with Power BI module, and we have talked about the a very important feature of Q&A. We have seen how the Q&A will help you to make it very easy for the analysis purpose. Let's continue with this with some other visuals in artificial intelligence. Let's say we want to deep analyze the data. We want to find out the key influences which are affecting the sales and how my I want to have a clear picture that I want to see a very clear picture that exactly if the which are the manufacturers which are having a lesser sale, which are the I want to go more deeper for my visualizations panel. So what I can do, how AI will help me. So for that, you can find out one more visual here, key influencers. So let's talk about this. What exactly is this key influencer visual? So if I put that onto my canvas, the visualization canvas, I'll get this kind of a picture. And what I want is I want to analyze my total revenue. So I'll put my revenue here. So it's sum of total revenue. You want to do analysis based on what? I want to do analysis based on revenue. So I'll say to Power BI, explain by manufacturer. Great. So now you can see that, okay, I'm getting a very clear picture to understand here that, okay, if first of all, you have to tell Power BI that increase is best or decrease is best. So what influences revenue to? Increase, you want to see increase or you want to see decrease. Okay. So if I'm changing it to running analysis, it will decrease it. Okay. And then it will show me that how it is decreasing, how it is the sales value is decreasing. So if you hover the mouse over there and you have a look on that, when the manufacturer is Selvus, the average revenue is this units lower compared to all other values of the manufacturer. Okay. So if you hover the mouse once again, yeah. So the average revenue is this units lower compared to all other values of manufacturer. This influencer contains approximately 0.46% of the total data. If you go this, you will find this. If you want to see that, okay, how it is increasing, so just change to increase. And now if I hover my mouse, I'll find some other description. So if I go here and see when manufacturer is Barba, the average return is 656.00 units higher compared to all other values of manufacturer. This influencer contains approximately 0.55% of the data. So making it so simple for you to understand that if my manufacturer is this one, how much higher or lower percentage I am getting compared to other manufacturers. Okay, so makes it very simple and easier to understand. If you select it from here, accordingly it will give the value from here as well. Okay, so very simple. If you want to go one more level deeper, you select the visual, and I want to say, okay, I want to put the category as well into my explain by session. So just give me a moment. Yeah, great. So manufacturer is Barba. It's absolutely fine. And now you can go ahead and click on this. The moment. It's just highlighting which you are selecting. Yeah, it's Palma. That's absolutely fine. Oh, and then if I select it, when it will show me that I'll selecting only those which are having influence on my total sale. The manufacturers which are having the influences on my total sales. Okay, I want to see only them. It will show me only those which are having a biggest influence onto my total sale. So these are the 5 which are having the biggest influence onto my total sales. Okay, so this way it will make it very simple for me to understand which are influencing the reports. Great. So this is the use of key influencer feature. The key influencer visual makes it very simple to drill down and finding the root cause of your increase or decrease. Okay, which are the key influences for that? So you can go and make changes accordingly. Great. So let's see one more, which is my tree decomposition tree. This is also useful for finding the root cause analysis. I want to see that I want to go more deeper, hierarchy by hierarchy, level by level, and I want to see how my Sales are increasing or decreasing. Let's see. Let's understand. So I'll put a decomposition tree here onto my canvas. I'll drag it a bit. Okay. And inside that, I'll have some options here to put that analyze. I want to see the revenue. So I'll put that into analyze. Great. Now I want to see it maybe country wise. So I'll put country here. Then I want to see it maybe district wise. Then I'll see it city wise, and then even by product category wise. That's absolutely fine. Initially, it is showing me the total revenue. That this is my total revenue, 3.17 billion something. If I, as soon as I click on plus button, choose how to split your data. I want to say yes, show it level by level, high values first, then the lower values. So I will say high value. Okay. So as soon as we do that, it will show me country by country, first level, because here they have the first level of country. So it will go in the decreasing order. So first the highest value USA, then second highest, which is Mexico, then Germany, and then France. One level deeper. Great. Now I want to go one more level deeper into my USA country. So yes, once again from high value. So it will go to district of USA. District number 10, which is having the highest revenue. Then once again, 23 is almost same revenue, I think, for both of them. Yeah, it will go a little bit down. I'm getting a little bit more, one more level deeper for specifically for my USA country. Great. Okay. Now I want to go one more level deeper for this particular district. I'm more interested to see the analysis for this particular district of number 23. If I click on this plus button, high value to low value, it will show me based on the city wise in this particular district. One more level deeper into this particular number, district number 23, one more level deeper. Great. And now last thing what I want is I want to see inside this particular category, what is the problem inside this particular category for very low sale. So I want to click on this plus button and I want to see category wise. Yes, high to low. Once again, it will go one more level deeper category wise. I think maybe some no category wise distinction in the last city, last point. So it is not able to show that. But I hope you are able to understand that. Just a moment. Yes, we got it. And inside that we went here. So we said for the high value. For category wise, I think it is not enabled. It is enabled to show us because of maybe we have some don't have some particular value for that. We click on this plus. Yeah. I think for category wise, we have to check for the relationship once. But I hope you are able to understand what exactly is the meaning of this, how it is so much helpful to go one level deeper and understand the root cause analysis, how it makes so simple for you to find out the root cause analysis, which are causing the problem into your sales analysis, into your sales, and it makes decision making very fast. So that's it about the AI visuals. We have talked about the three. The one is the Q&A, very helpful. How to use Q&A through buttons, and then the key influencers plus the decomposition tree. How the decomposition tree is helping you to go one level down deeper and understand the root cause analysis. Okay, great. So let's save it, and you can publish it, and so it will be much easier for you to understand it on directly onto the cloud. So if I save it and click on publish, let's have a look onto the Power BI services, how it will look like. I just want to have a look over there. It will be more better because there we can have a proper look on each and every country, city, and every district and city wise. A more better and deeper look. Yeah, so publish to my workspace. That's absolutely fine. Let's replace the already existing data set. Yes. And let's go here and wait for it to publish. Maybe just give me one moment. Yeah, great, done. Now let's go here and just refresh on your report. You will find these extra pages added which we have just achieved right now. So go to page 7 and let's have a look on this decomposition tree. Great. And now you can see how better look you are having. So if you go one level down, you click on district wise, you start getting the district wise data. Similarly, if I need to go for Mexico wise, I can start getting the data Mexico wise this time. I want to switch it to Germany. I can click on Germany, single district, and inside that, these are the cities. Similarly, for France, I'll click on France and no data for the district and city. So more deeper level analysis for USA and Mexico, and how easy it is. That's what the best thing I love on this report. Okay, so you can click on this button as well to go one level up or down, drill up, drill down. So right now I want to drill up once again, drill down, drill down. This is the way. And if you go to page 6, where you are having the key influencers, I hope you are clear with that. It will run the analysis for a second and it will give you the key influencers. Great. So how much easy to find the impact, what each and everything is impacting your data. Okay, so go ahead and find that. Go ahead and practice these things. We have learned a lot of in AI visuals as well now. That's it for this, and we'll have some question answer session. So let's go ahead and talk about some question answers on this AI visuals. So let's start from here. I hope this time definitely you will be able to answer it. So let's go ahead and have a look on them. What does the AI split features do? The AI splits work by considering all available fields and determining which one to drill into, and will only return the highest or lowest value within your data set. No. AI splits work by considering all available fields and determining which one to drill down into the get and to get the highest and lowest value of the measures that is being analyzed. Perfectly yes. That is the use of an AI measure to find out to drill down into highest or lowest value by the measure which you are analyzing it. So that's absolutely fine. Option number C, AI splits only display the difference between the highest and lowest value of the measure that is being no. It allows us to drill down deeper level so that you can find out the root causes. So B is the correct answer for this question. Great. B, second number question, can you access the Q&A feature by using buttons? No, the first option is no. The use of the Q&A feature, you will need the add the Q&A visual to your reporting canvas. No. Yes, you can use the Q&A feature by selecting the Q&A button type. Absolutely yes. Yes, you can, but you will need to add the Q&A visual to your reporting canvas and then link your button with the visual. No, it's nothing required like this. So it's a straightforward answer B. I hope you can because you have seen very clearly that if I go and select a button for Q&A purpose, there is nothing relationship of that button from here, the Q&A. I can just simply go onto buttons, Q&A, and the reason for that, it's a very simple and straightforward reason that when I create a Q&A button here, my bookmark, my action is already on. My action is type is Q&A, and it is already on. I don't have to do anything for this button. I just need to enter my question. It will start giving me the answers. Okay. So it's a straightforward Q&A button. I don't need to go ahead and attach this button to my visuals and then finally put some Q&A inside that. Nothing like that. Okay. Great. Next question. Which of the following selections are not features of the Q&A visual? Adding new synonyms to the field through Q&A tooling, converting a Q&A answer into visuals inside your report, searching for help topics about Power BI. It's saying which of the following selections are not features of the Q&A, not features of the Q&A visual. So if we go from above, adding new synonyms, yes, we can add. So definitely it is available. Converting a Q&A answer into visual, yes, we can. I hope you remember it. I have shown you very clearly that how can you go ahead and convert a Q&A visual into a visualization. So if you remember, if I go here and I put a Q&A and I say total revenue by category. So by product category done. I hope you remember it absolutely, and we just need to click. I want to convert this into my visual. I'll just click on this button, it will convert it into a normal visual. So yes, I can do it. That is also not a correct answer because we can do it. So yes, the answer for this question is definitely C. Searching for help topics about Power BI. That is not available on in Q&A. That's not a part of Q&A. Q&A because Q&A is related to your data set. Q&A is not about any giving information about Power BI. It's specifically related to your data set. So you can have a search something related to your data set, not about Power BI. Wait, next question. What does the decomposition tree not enable you to do? What does the decomposition tree not enable you to do? Conduct the root cause analysis to understand and measure better. Conduct what if analysis with the built-in matters. Automatically analyze selected dimension to find whether a measure is highest or lowest. No. So that's what I think, because in A, yes, definitely it enables us. That's what the purpose of decomposition tree to find the root cause analysis to understand and measure better. Definitely, this is the purpose. Conduct what if analysis with built-in parameters. Yes, that is the purpose. And automatically analyze, that's not available. So I think the answer for this question is C, and I hope you can understand why. Okay, that's it. So if I summarize this whole module is we have discussed how to use the artificial intelligence visuals, how Power BI smartly help you with these artificial intelligence visuals. We have discussed the three main parts: the Q&A visual, the influencers, plus the decomposition tree. How these three are helping you to the Q&A, how it is helping you to answer the questions very fast in a very smart way of self-service BI. Plus, the second feature we have discussed is key influencers, which are enabling you to find the root causes which are impacting your data. And the last one is decomposition tree, where we have decomposed the analysis into one level deeper down to find the root causes for your analysis. Great. So that's it. Go ahead and practice it. It will be very helpful for you. Make this process very simple for your stakeholders to analyze, and definitely very easy for you as well. Makes it very simple for you as well. So great. We're done with this module as well. We have just one module left now. That is our little bit introduction to paginated reports. And finally, we'll move forward for a small introduction of case study. That's it. And that will be the end of our course. And I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you have practiced it, everything. And thanks a lot. That's it. Bye-bye.